but from here or from here there is a difference, because a particle A, when a wavelet starts from this secondary source, it moves in the same medium with some certain velocity, and the particle which at point B which that start producing wavefront, but the wavefront or wavelet start moving in the other medium which is denser one. So here there is a velocity difference. So here let the velocity in this medium is v1 and the velocity in this medium is v2, and the velocity difference is v1 is greater than v2. So if v1 is greater than v2, it means whatever the distance traveled by the first wavelet which is originating from here point A in time t is v1t, and the wavelet originating from B that travels in time t, the distance traveled by it v2t. And from above it is clear, very much clear, that v1t is greater than v2t. It means कि जो वेवलेट है, जो रिफ्रैक्टिंग सरफेस में जो वेवलेट है वो कम डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगा एज कम्पेयर टू जो वेवलेट है जो बाहर में है टी टाइम में, वो ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करने वाला है. सो हेयर एट दिस पोजीशन द वेवलेट्स स्टार्ट मूविंग. Here the v1t, and here whatever the wavelet is producing like this way, and here also if we take the arc of v2t, then the arc is of this type v2t, and it moves in this way. So this is a v2t. So this is the wavelet which is coming from B, and this is a wavelet which is coming from A. If we draw a tangent, common tangent on this surface, and this is what? This is becomes a refracted wavefront. This becomes a refracted wavefront. And this is what? This is the incident wavefront. So here in this case,